Creating a lead magnet in Wix is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to create a high converting lead magnet on Wix.com. The process is pretty simple. For that, just go to Google, search for Wix, and then simply go to Wix website, which should be Wix.com. Now here in the Wix, you have to log into your account. After logging into your account, it will take you to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. Now in the dashboard, what you have to do is you simply have to go to this edit site. In your case, if you didn't have created any website, it will show you design site. You just have to click on this button. And there you go. The Wix website editor will starting to load up. Once the Wix website editor is loaded up, you will be able to customize or create websites without any problem, including the lead magnets and all the things. So this is the right tool. This allows you to build website without any problem. You just have to be creative, be more skillful, and you'll be able to create a lead magnet right here. However, if you go to add elements, you will be able to find there are a lot of elements, including different things, which will allow you to create different things, including lead magnets and all the things. So you just have to search for the right thing, whichever you want. Suppose you want to create a lead magnet, you can try searching for lead magnet, and you might be able to find some of the like some of the extensions or tools which will allow you to create the lead magnets for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.